It's not that Snap-on's not good. It's just that there's so many other brands that you can get that are going to be a better bang for buck and worth your money over Snap-on. And I'm actually a huge Milwaukee fan, and I've been switching over a lot of my tools to rigid just because of the value you get. So for example, if you're to buy this 3/8 stubby Milwaukee, you're looking at like 219 bucks when it's not on sale. I got this rigid one on sale, 1/2 inch anvil that I wanted. If you look, they're almost identical, because like everyone says, they're built by the same company. Like look at the faces in front. They're almost identical. The lights are literally in the same exact spots, just different lights. $105. $105. 219. Battery adapter, and you can use Milwaukee batteries with the rigid. So why not?